You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this acid. Generally it's an acid. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this from science, chemistry, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. 2 different pronunciations. Phthalic with an F and then TH sound, a th sound that you make with your tongue between your teeth. Phthalic. Or just remove the F sound, which is the PH, and just say phthalic. You can say phthalic. This is also correct, accepted pronunciation, phthalic. So phthalic or phthalic. Can you hear the difference? Are you relieved you don't have to say phthalic? You can just say phthalic, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.